No, they usually remember.
Good.
Another common mistake in around or amongst Spanish people is we normally use they used to remember, not in past, because in Spanish es nosotros solemos and is use. So I must think every time because I normally say they used to remember as in present, and the meaning is they usually remember.
Yeah.
Because the similar is similar to Spanish. So I have to think every time. If I another way to say the same thing is they usually remember, or they are used to remember. They are used to, but it's not the same because when I say they are used to, they are no without d. They are used to without d. So use, not used. They are used to you. No, it's not correct.
No. You can say they are used with D to, and then a verb with an ing.
Yeah, but in this case, they are used to enjoying.
Exactly, it's a different meaning.
Yeah, it's not an uncommon thing for them.
Exactly.
They say they do that thing every day or frequently.
Yeah.
Normal thing.
Yeah. Exactly. So it's different thing altogether.
Yeah. They are used to. Yeah, they están acostumbrados. Yeah. Okay.
Can you pronounce?
They are used to. They are used to.